Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this bitmap RGB and want to know how they variegated the line. I don't really think they made a line. So let's just make this. I'm going to take a ellipse and hold down the control button, and I'm going to hit P. Then I'm going to control D and make a duplicate. Well, you know what? Before I do that, let's make this one an even amount. So let's make it 12 inches. Control D and make a duplicate and make the new one 10. Nah, that's too much. Let's make it 11. And now we have this. And because we're working in the center of the page, we can just take a 2-point line and hit P. Control D and make a duplicate. Because it's in the center, we're going to rotate it 5 degrees. Yeah, maybe it's 10 degrees on that one. And then Control D. That's all you need right there. Now, I'm not going to use those colors. I'm just going to use red and blue. But if we group this together, Control G, take the Smart Fill tool, and let's just use blue and specify and then make the next one red. You have those two colors. Now we can nudge this out of the way. I'd group those together, Control G. Control D to make a duplicate, and Control or Alternate C to have it rotate from the center. Now we rotated at 10 degrees, but there's two of them, so we're going to rotate at 20. And then just Control D all the way around, and they were perfectly matched. They might have done it another way, but I can't imagine how they would have done it differently. And of course, you could change this. Let's play with it. Video wasn't very long. Let's go back till there's only two. Let's always make sure there's not another copy. And there was. But see, because I moved it, I can move it right back. Let's ungroup this. Now let's try this. Let's try ungrouping it. And tell you what, let's take away the color and go to an outline. And I'm going to really play with this. I'm going to make, you know what, I'm going to do only just one color. So I can actually get rid of this other joint. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to use the interactive fill tool. And I'm going to swipe all the way across it. But I'm going to put black in both edges. It'll turn it black. But then I can put red back in the middle. I'm not going to go all the way to the middle. I'm going to go past the middle. So I have that. It's a little bit too much black. I just want a little bit of shadow. Let's see what this looks like. Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it 10 degrees. Control D. Maybe not as, I could keep hitting Control D. Maybe not as cool as I was thinking. But that's still pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that it helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.